The rug is kind of dusty, so let's get out our trusty vacuum and run it all around the floor. Cleaning up, having fun, let's do it some more.
Hello everyone. Today's video is especially for the very young vacuum cleaner enthusiasts. Many of us started our obsession or liking for vacuum cleaners at a young age. Personally, I was 18 months old when I first started showing an interest in vacuum cleaners, according to my mum. But back when I was an 18-month-old child, there wasn't very much to encourage us. But today, if you are a child or have a child who likes vacuums, this is the video for you, because we have the latest, the greatest, the most deluxe electronic toy vacuum cleaner available today in 2024. This is the Leapfrog Pick Up and Count vacuum. So not only can your young vacuum fan enjoy picking up things with this vacuum, he or she can also learn how to count. Amazing. So with Christmas fast approaching, who knows, this might end up in the stocking of some young vacuum enthusiast. But at the moment it's ended up on my video. I saw it, it was on offer. I thought, I'll get that. It might be fun. And if you want to check out my playlist, I've done many toy vacuum cleaners. Right, oh dear, it doesn't want to open. I thought I'd had it out, but no, I have pressed it. It does come with demonstration batteries, so you can have a little play in the shop, but it does state they are for demonstration purposes only. So I would advise to you, if you've bought this for a birthday or Christmas, buy another pack of AA batteries, just in case the battery supplied don't give you enough vacuuming fun. Right, instead of picking away at this and getting more and more irate, I'm going to get my little knife, cut through the packaging and reveal everything inside. Here's everything out of the box. We get the cleaner itself, the handle, and I'll show you how to attach that later, the dustbin, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 coloured dust pieces, and of course the ever important parent's guide. I'm first going to show you how to replace the batteries once the demonstration batteries fitted to the machine have run down. So you need a screwdriver to loosen this screw here, and then you can remove the battery cover. And as you can see, we've got these demonstration batteries, so I'm going to change them now. But you should get some use out of these when you first open up this cleaner. That's a bit tricky to get my fingernails in, so I'll use the screwdriver to help. There we are. I'll put those to one side and replace them with some new alkaline batteries I've bought. Make sure you observe the polarity, plus to plus, minus to minus. And the final one, it should be that way. So that's the batteries inserted, and then it's very important, of course, to put the cover back on and tighten the screw with your screwdriver. Before I insert the handle, it's important to note that once it's inserted into the body of the Pick Up and Count vacuum, you won't be able to remove it. So we need to fit it with the Leapfrog logo to the front. It just pushes in, and you'll need a little bit of strength to snap it in place. There we go, you'll hear a firm click. Now the cleaner is ready for use. Or almost ready for use, because we need to connect the dustbin to collect the dust pieces, and that fits on the back here. It pushes in and clicks firmly into place. And now your Leapfrog Pick Up and Count vacuum is ready for use. The main on-off switch is located here at the side of the cleaner. It's got two settings, low volume and high volume. The mode selector dial enables you to choose between 3 ways of cleaning. We have the number mode, colour mode, and pretend play mode. In pretend play mode, you can pick up dust pieces to hear vacuuming sounds and fun dust pieces' voices while playing clean-up. In colour mode, listen to the vacuum's instructions for picking up dust pieces to play 3 games that promote naming, identifying and matching colours. In number mode, listen to the vacuum's instructions for picking up dust pieces to play 3 games that promote number identification, counting 1 to 10 and early subtraction. Press the music button to hear 3 songs about counting numbers from 1 to 10, colours and cleaning up. To preserve battery life, the pick up and count vacuum will automatically shut off after approximately 75 seconds. The unit can be turned on again by pressing the music button, turning the mode selector dial, or picking up a dust piece with the vacuum. Well, that's all the boring stuff out of the way. Let's have some fun with this Leapfrog Pick Up and Count vacuum. I think we'll go for the full volume. So turn it on. And we've got some lovely lights. And look!
Vacuum and run it all around the floor. Cleaning up, having fun, let's do it some more.
Fantastic.
Numbers.
Oh! Numbers.
Empty my bin and let's play clean and count.
Oh, okay. The bin is empty.
How many dusties can we collect?
Oh, I don't know.
Let's count.
All right. Oh dear. This is more complicated than I thought. Right, these are the dusties. Let's try and pick some up.
How many dusties can we collect? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dusties.
Oh, I wasn't quick enough to get 8 dusties. Never mind. I'll try better next time.
8.
Oh. 9.
9. 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Success! You got 10 dusties.
Wow.
Empty my bin and we'll play some more.
Oh, I can't wait. Success. I think that's a pun. Let's empty the bin.
Let's count it down.
Oh, all right.
Collect all the dusties before time runs out.
Oh dear. Oh, against the clock. Let's see if we can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going. 6, 7, just 3. Only
Oh, one's fallen out.
10. Success! You got them all. You got 10 dusties.
Wow. Well done me. 10.
What a mess! Clean up 5 dusties.
Oh, this is very stressful. 5 dusties, quick. Oh, there's one here.
1, 2, 3, left, 4, right, last one. 5, incredible! You got them all. Yay! Empty my bin and we'll play some more.
Well, we will, but I think I want to play the colours game.
Let's play clean and count.
We've played that. We're playing colours now, so we'll turn to colours.
Colours. Empty my bin and let's play colour call out.
Oh,
Pick up a dusty and I'll teach you its colour.
oh, okay.
Red. like a strawberry.
We've done red, let's do orange.
Orange, like a carrot.
Ooh. I think blue next, don't you?
Blue, like a blueberry.
Oh, it's all food, isn't it? Green? What could green be? Maybe like an apple?
Green, like a lime.
Oh, a lime! Ooh, they're a bit sour. Have we done yellow?
Yellow, like a banana.
Ooh, a banana. Well, that's all the different colours. I wonder if we'll get any new colours. Will it be...
Yeah,
Oh,
you got red, orange,
Yes.
yellow, green and blue.
I did.
Empty my bin and we'll play some more.
All right then. I've never had so much fun vacuuming in my life.
Let's play light and seek.
Oh, okay.
Look at my lights and find the matching dusty.
Ooh. Ooh, yellow. Quick.
Yellow, like a banana. Find the matching dusty.
Oh, oh, that's orange. I'm going to pick up blue. Let's see what happens.
Oops, try again. Get the orange dusty.
Oh, it knows.
Orange, like a carrot.
Oh, an orange.
The matching dusty.
Oh, blue.
Blue, like a blueberry. Look at my lights and find the matching dusty.
I think we've done enough of that game. Let's see what the play vacuuming game is like. So I'll empty the bin and we'll turn the dial.
What a mess. Let's clean.
Let's.
Time for a clean start.
Oh, so that means I've got to clean everything up. No line of shame. Come on.
Let's bust that dust.
My bag's full. I've busted the dust. What do I do now? It's all busted. Help me. You need to tell me what to do. Continuing busting dust. There's no more bust to dust. I've bust every dust piece. Oops. Have we still got 10 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. 2 more. There's a piece missing. Ah, there it is. Right.
Let's bust that dust.
All right. Okay. So it's the same. It's the same game. Okay. Okay. So I think that's all that does. We can empty.
What a mess. Let's clean.
All right, I think I'm a bit bored with cleaning. Let's see what the music button does, shall we? We'll press the button here.
Picking up this dusty you can be. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I interrupted her song. Perhaps I shouldn't have picked up that dust.
Picking up this dusty you can be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The floor is now quite thick and spread for everyone to see.
Well, this has to be the most fun I've ever had with a vacuum cleaner. Absolutely fantastic. And of course, This cleaner stands up on its own. As long as you've got the dustbin, it'll stand up. It's self-supporting. You don't have to lean it up against the wall. If it falls over, it doesn't matter. Pick it up and clean again. Well, apart from teaching youngsters to clean up, we can also learn about colours and numbers as well. This really is a fantastic little toy. I'm really sad that I'm not aged 2 to 5. I'm a little bit older than that, but if I was 2 to 5 and I liked vacuum cleaners, I think I would absolutely love this Leapfrog Pick Up and Count vacuum. Even I love it, and I'm quite a bit older than it suggests on the box, you know, but if you want one of these, whether you're 2 to 5 or 40 to 50 and beyond, it's really quite a fun educational vacuum cleaner. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video enjoyable. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll leave an affiliated link below if you want to get one of these for yourself, or you know someone who would rather like to play with this Pick Up and Count vacuum cleaner by Leapfrog. I'll see you all very soon with a real vacuum cleaner. Bye for now.